here today to honor a group of seniors, our 2020 graduates, that have earned the distinction of either the Mississippi Scholars or the Mississippi Techmaster Scholars. Mississippi Scholars and Mississippi Techmaster Scholars is derived from the Mississippi Economic Council and encourages students to embark on a more vigorous academic schedule while preparing for a future either at a university, a community college, technical training, or straight into the workforce in order to make them more productive citizens. Bringing this distinction to our deserving seniors has been a dream of mine for several years, and I want to take this opportunity to thank Ms. Shelley DeMint, our CTE counselor, for making this happen for our students and for me. But first, I'd like to describe a little bit of the criteria that goes with achieving this Mississippi Scholars or Mississippi Techmaster Scholar status. The students have to earn 40 hours, a minimum of 40 hours of community and volunteer service. They have to have a minimum 18 on the ACT composite score. They have to have at least a 2.5 high school GPA, 95% attendance in high school, and no out-of-school suspension. The Mississippi Techmaster Scholars also has to have the 40 hours of community service, a minimum of ACT on the, a minimum of 18 on the ACT, or they could have a minimum 36 on the ASVAB, which is the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test, or they could score silver on the WorkKeys. They have to have the 2.5 high school GPA. They have to have the 95% attendance rate during high school and no out-of-school suspension. In addition to all that, they have to pass 2 years of the Mississippi CPAS 2 test that all CTE students have to take. But this year, as a result of COVID-19, the Mississippi CPAS scores have been waived by the Mississippi Economic Council as we didn't get the opportunity to administer those exams. In 2022, some of that criteria will increase. For example, the 80 hours of community service is an increase. Instead of 40, it goes to 80. And the ACT minimum score will increase to 19. So with no further ado, I'd like to introduce Ms. Shelley DeMint, who will call out the names of our award recipients.
Okay. First I will call out the Mississippi Scholar recipients. Micah Davis, Jackson Dunaway, Zoe Favre, Ryan Folks, Renee Harris, Brooke Ladner, Bailey McGill, Bo Miller, Genevieve Smith. And next I'll call out the Mississippi Techmaster Scholar recipients. Caitlin Blackman, Ashante Bolton, Logan Brady, David Carroll Hilliard, Kent Davis, Jackson Dunaway, Zoe Favre, Ryan Folks, Raven Garrett, Rhett Garrett, Ava Guerra, Kevin Hart, Peyton Hartfield, Macy Head, Ariel Hines, Kansas Lee, Kenna Matthews, Bo Miller, Zachary Owen, Sadie Petrie, Morgan Prince, Zachary Red, Ray Rivero, Carly Rodriguez, Delana Seal, Genevieve Smith, Brady Tynes, and Lauren Tynes. And once again, we would like to say congratulations to each of these students on a job well done.
Congratulations, seniors.